Well, hello everyone. It's Susie McCrae. Today is Monday, October 20th. And once again, I had my thinking cup and my thinking cap on, and I wanted to share something. Maybe you find some value in it, maybe you agree with me, but I just wanted to share it. I was thinking over this weekend. I am I am a sports fan, and I know many of you are. I live in Massachusetts, so I am part of New England. I am a Boston Red Sox fan. I am a Boston Celtics fan. I am a Boston Bruins fan, and I am a New England Patriots fan. Whether you like that or not, I'm a fan. And I was thinking about things as if any of you follow the New England Patriots. They struggled since Tom Brady left, then they lost their coach. They've been through some trials and tribulations, and a lot of people jumped ship when they felt that the team wasn't good, that, they didn't support them. I never stopped being a fan. I never stopped supporting them. I never stopped cheering them on. It's interesting. Some people go, why are you even going to watch the game? They're going to lose. Well, that's not how I think. Why would I watch the game if I knew they're going to lose? I'm watching the game with excitement and hope that they play well and they do well because I'm a fan and I feel part of that team. The same with the other local teams that I cheer on. I went to the University of Massachusetts in Amherst. The UMass football team is now ranked one of the worst teams ever. I'm still a fan. They almost had it on Saturday. I was unable to watch the whole game, but I did check, to see how they did. So why is this important? I know many of you feel the same way out there. When you join something, or you're a fan, or you're part of a team, how are you reacting to bumps in the road? How are you reacting to new things? How are you reacting if there's kind of a little bit of a downside? How are you reacting when there's an upside? Are you balanced? Are you in there? Are you committed? Are you loyal? Okay. I feel very, very loyal to all of the teams that in this area that I am a fan for. Doesn't matter if they're winning or losing. Susie McCrae is their fan. And so I was thinking about that as I see New England Patriots are doing very well this year. Last year, in the last few years, they weren't doing well, but I was still there. I still had they had my back. I was a really good fan. So I started thinking about this over the weekend, and I feel the same way with our founder, Mr. Ash Mufarah. I became a fan, if you want to call it. People use other names. I caught on to the vision, to this man's character, this man's integrity, the way this man operates, and I've got his back no matter what through the whole journey. And now comes the time where things are shifting and we're shifting into a new part of the journey. We're leaving the old and the past behind. We're going on to a platform that's fresh, clean, new for us to go in, to absorb, to marinate, to, be involved in ways of doing things and learning new things. This has been a wonderful journey. I consider myself number one fan. I'm not on the fence. I've never been on the fence ever with my sporting teams or with this business. And I'm excited. I am really excited. And one other point I want to make, what I was really excited about was it kind of dawned on me this weekend. The weight of the world is off my shoulders. Not that it was the whole weight of the world was on my shoulders, but knowing what we're going into and that we're going to be in this platform where we are going to learn with others, and there's no expectation for us to leave there and to go out and to try to rehash it with other people is wonderful. I mean, that would be an insult to the platform because Ash promised us it's going to be simple and easy, and we're going to learn things, and it's going to be fun what we're doing. So I am so excited that we are going to be entering into this new process, and I'm looking forward to it. And I want to read something that I saw today. The guilt you feel for setting boundaries is a sign of how deeply you were trained to abandon yourself. Once again, the guilt you feel for setting boundaries is a sign of how deeply you were trained to abandon yourself. Of course, we all have to set boundaries. I know I'm learning better to set boundaries. Doesn't mean I'm not a helpful person, doesn't mean I don't have a good heart or I'm charitable or I want to do everything I can help and support things. But really, really think about it. This is a time for boundaries to be set. We enter into victory with Ash, and the world is our oyster. I am pumped up. And go Patriots. They are on top right now in their division. And even if they weren't, Susie would still be cheering them on with hope in her heart. So, anyway, if you found that useful, great. And have a great day, and we'll be in touch soon. Mwah.